Hi, everybody. My name is Mark. Thank you, GBA, and thank you for this great opportunity to speak today about CES or Project CESS and decentralized storage. So before I begin, I would like to start by sharing some interesting numbers. So every day, around 328 million terabytes of new data is being created. So to store these massive amount of data on typical 3.5-inch 18 terabyte hard drives, like those commonly used in data centers, if you think about it, it will take about 18.22 million 18 terabyte hard drives to store all this information. And that's only from information being created brand new every day. And if you were aligning those hard drive length to length, imagine like the height of the Statue of Liberty. It will take about 28,600 Statue of Liberty to store all this new information. So it's a very vast amount. But as for, I guess, dependence on digital technology grows with AR, VR, 3D, AI, I think that amount of information will only grow even further. And even blockchain data, such as Bitcoin, requires storage. So no wonder it's people often say that data is the new digital gold. But currently, most data are stored on traditional centralized storage systems. While those systems are widely used, they have some notable limitations and vulnerabilities. So it's also important to acknowledge that substantial environmental factors with centralized storage systems. Centralized hyperscale data center can consume as much energy as 80,000 U.S. homes and generate CO2 emissions equivalent to those about 10,000 cars, which requires a carbon offset of 600,000 trees. So furthermore, it may use between 1 million to 5 million gallons of water each day to cool these data servers, which is roughly the equivalent of water consumption of 100,000 U.S. homes. So now with the, the rise of Web3 and blockchain technology, a new storage solutions has emerged, which is decentralized storage. What is decentralized storage? Decentralized storage is a method of storing data across multiple nodes or computers in a network. So rather than relying on a single centralized server or data center, the system leverages blockchain technology, peer-to-peer network, and cryptographic technologies to ensure data integrity, privacy, and availability. So unlike centralized storage, where a single point of failure could occur, was more prone to hacks or attacks, decentralized storage disperses your data across multiple locations around the world for better security and privacy. So now representing CES. So what does CES will fit into this whole story? So CESS stands for Cumulus Encrypted Storage System. Cumulus like the cloud. So CES is a layer 1 enterprise level public blockchain. It's also decentralized storage and decentralized CDN. So decentralized storage and decentralized CDN offers interoperable and cross-chain compatible. So for storage and CDN, it will work with other blockchains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Polkadot. CES is also a data value network. So where if you have a spare hard drive space, you can contribute to the network and be incentivized in the process. So also the CES project was started in 2019. Currently, there are over 28 full-time members and 6 part-time members working on this particular project. One of the founder and chairman is Mr. Nick Saldastani. So he's on the board of director for Duke University. We have also another founder who's a local Virginia resident. So moving on, let me give a more specific example of how data storage works on CES. So right now, when say if anybody here have a particular piece of information they want to upload to the CES network, it is automatically duplicated 3 times, and then the information will be encoded and it will be sharded into little pieces and spread around different nodes around the world. Again, this way, there's no single point of failure. Even if a hacker was to get a hold of one piece of the data, it's kind of useless because they still need the rest of the other piece of information, and plus it's also encoded. SES also offers the distinctive feature of decentralized CDN. So say if a video media streaming company is using SES, without CDN or decentralized CDN in this particular case, the video files will lag a buffer without giving a good user experience. Another advantage of SES is that it also offers greater data sovereignty. So if a particular entity wants information to be stored on decentralized node only within a specific region, say like a US company only wants the information be stored on US nodes, with SES, it has the ability to do so. So recently, another new innovation brought by SES is called AI Link. With popularity AI, everybody's focused on this particular subject. So with AI Link, it is designed to enhance the training and storage of AI models. So imagine two hospitals, one in the US, another in Europe. Both hospitals recognize the advantage of AI and would like to train private models for their own hospital. They understand if more data is being fed into the larger AI model, the more effective it will become. However, due to the sensitive nature of basic information, sharing data with other hospitals is not an option. So using homomorphic encryption technology through SES, each hospital now can securely train it locally. It trains a local AI model and store them using SES AI Link. This allows the hospital to exchange the model or even combine them within SES storage to form an even more powerful model, all without compromising the patient's sensitive information. So, and bring up to date, so where does SES stands right now? Currently, SES is at its last testnet, version Venus. So, before we officially launch on mainnet, but each phase, the last phase for SES, we had over 10,000 nodes around the world contributing to the network. And actually, another good news is a few months back, SES proposed a new proposal. It's called P3233 standard for blockchain-based decentralized storage protocol, which was accepted by IEEE, a 140-year-old organization. So SES will be working with IEEE in establishing the open standard for decentralized storage and computation. So through the establishment of P3233 protocol, SES will follow the footsteps of HTTP, HTTPS for website, or SMTP for emails. So moving on, there's many other exciting new features. I can go on explaining about the particular details. But if you'd like to more information, please see the SES booth downstairs. Again, I really appreciate everybody's taking the time to hear about the SES project. And if you want to hear a little bit more, you can go and learn about it on ses.network. Yeah, thank you.